Hi folks, Mitch from NZCS here. Did you know you can turn the back of your iPhone into a button? With back tap, you can set up shortcuts to different apps and commands, making it easier to access something quickly on the go. It's really easy to set up, and you can set up a double tap shortcut and a triple tap shortcut. Let me show you how. First, go to your Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. From there, under Physical and Motor, click on the touch button and scroll down to the very bottom and select the back tap button. First, let's set up a double tap shortcut. As you can see, there's a pretty decent list of available options to choose from. If you have apps that allow you to create a new shortcut, like for example an air conditioning app that lets you control the unit from your phone, you should be able to create a double or triple tap shortcut to turn on and / or off the AC. How handy is that? Anyway, for this demo, let's make the double tap shortcut take a screenshot. And for triple tap, open the camera. That's it, easy as that to set up. Let's try it out. So when I now double tap the back of my phone, it takes a screenshot. And when I triple tap, it opens the camera. This will be great if I only have one hand on my phone at the time, if I want to take a screenshot, and perfect for if I want to open the camera quickly from within any app I have open.